And we have another great container, food storage container from Gotman with the crystal locks. These are Swedish style, which is kind of cool. They're see-through, so they're really crystal clear. Like they look like they're glass. Like they have the clarity of glass and almost the feel of glass when you look through it. And the coolest thing is these materials can go from the freezer to the microwave, right to the dishwasher. Very cool with these airtight locking lids. So I'd like to thank Gotman for sending this to me to review. I really do appreciate it. They sent me a whole kit and I love it because, I mean, you can't live with just one. Especially me, I love to do some raw juicing. So I've got my carrots, I've got my apples, and then I've got my snacks here. But this particular container is a really good size. They have a bunch of different sizes. If you are gonna microwave it, make sure you take the little hologram sticker off of the top. Don't microwave that. And, but doesn't this look appetizing when you look in the fridge and you think, I want something to snack on? I'll grab some carrots, right? Or I'll grab some apples. And my trick with the apples, by the way, lime juice. Put lime juice and it'll keep them fresher. Anyway, and the airtight lock also helps to keep this fresh, so it's fantastic. But again, I don't have to, if I can prep all in one day, for me, it makes it so much easier. I'm a big fan of meal prepping and food prepping because, you know, we open our refrigerator and we're like, oh, there doesn't look like anything's there. But if we open it and see something inviting and refreshing, we're like, ooh, that looks good. I'll grab that. So again, thank you so much, Gotman. I love these containers. They're fantastic.